Yes, students, we have some numericals which are based on the unit and measurement. Basically, these are based on the parallax method. Okay, before you learn or how to apply the numerical related to parallax method, some small thing I will just tell you that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute equal to 60 second. Therefore, we can conclude that uh, 1 degree is equal to 60 into 60 second, which means 3600 second. Okay. Now we convert from here 1 second in into degree. That means 1 second, and second is denoted by double dash. 1 second is equal to 1 upon 3600 degree. Okay. Now the second concept is, as per the conversion of the degree and radian, 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. Therefore 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degree. Here we use the value of pi 22 by 7, either 3.14. Okay. Now finally we convert it 1 second into radian by using the degree measurement. This will be, after this, 1 upon 3600 into pi upon 180 according to this result. Okay. When we solve this, we get the result 1 second is equal to 4.85 into 10 to the power minus 6 radian. This value is need to remembered by your side. Okay. ये some important results हैं, how to convert the degree into radian. Okay. And here one result, 1 second is equal to 4.85 into 10 to the power minus 6 radian. This is the important result which we can use directly in the solutions. Now solution number 1. In the solution number 1, find the radius of the sun if its angular diameter is 1920 second and the distance between sun and earth is 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Okay. So एक छोटी सी थ्योरी देखते हैं. Let's say this is sun and we need to calculate the distance between the radius of sun, and here we have the earth. Okay. So this is the earth diameter and this is the sun's diameter. Okay. We need to calculate the radius of sun, which means this we need to calculate according to the parallax method. Suppose this is the measuring point, so we use here A, B as basis and it is like a point. So when we join this point from the 2 points from A and B, then we observe that this is the angular diameter which is given to us, that is 1920 second. Okay. This we have given. Another thing which is given to us is distance between sun and earth. That means this distance, as we learn in the parallax method, you have remembered. This distance is given, that is 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Okay. Now we need to calculate the radius of the sun. Okay, so for calculating the radius of the sun according to the parallax method, first what is we have, लिख लेते हैं उसको. We have given here the angle or angular diameter of sun on earth when views from two positions is this much second. And another which we have, first we convert it into the radian. So for converting into radian we use in place of second this, that means 1920. In place of second we can use 3600 into pi by 180. Okay, from 1 second is equal to 3600, or we can say pi this much. Okay, now I will just tell you here, 1 second is also equal to 4.85 into 10 to the power minus 6 radian. So this will be, after solving we get 1920 into this value 1 minute, 4.85 into 10 to the power minus 6 radian. This is the value of angular diameter of sun in radian. Okay, now another we have given here that the distance, that means L, which is 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Okay, now by parallax method we have the result that angle is equal to arc upon radius. Okay, arc upon radius. So okay, that means theta is equal to arc. Arc we have used here the this result. This will make, or this will suspended the angle this, that means AB upon radius, the distance between, that means L. So this will be theta into L equal to AB, and this AB is the diameter, that means 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 into theta we have 4.85 into 10 to the power minus 6. This result finally we get in meters. Okay, now when we solve the result, we get this D is equal to, after multiplying this 15 this into 1920, this value. Okay, this theta is total we have put here. When we solve this result, we get 1,942.31 into 10 to the power 11 minus 6 is 5 meter. That means D is equal to 1.39 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 meter. So this is the diameter of Earth when the angular diameter is this much. Therefore, you can easily calculate the radius of the Earth. That means D by 2, 1.39 into 10 to the power 9 upon 2. This you will get finally that radius of Sun is equal to 0.695 into 10 to the power 9, which is 6.95 into 10 to the power 8 meter. Okay, this is your first solution. Okay, next question is the nearest star to our solar system is at 4.29 light year away. Express the distance in parsec. That means parsec is parallelic second. How much parallax would this star show when viewed from two locations of Earth 6 months apart in its orbit around the Sun? Okay, so first, what is given to us? Distance of nearest star. Distance, that would be L, is equal to 4.29 light years. Okay, we have to find first L in parsec. Okay, and second, parallax angle. These two things need to calculate. Okay, now first I will just write here the two values. The distance of 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter. Okay, and 1 parsec is equal to 3.08 into 10 to the power 16 meter. These are the two values. Okay, so first we need to calculate this distance in the light year. So we get from here first distance L is equal to 4.29 into value of light year is 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter. When you solve this result, uh, when we solve this, we get this result. It will be approximately 40.8. 40.8 into 10 to the power 15. So this we get finally 4.08 into 10 to the power 16 meter. This is the distance in the meter. Okay, therefore 4.08 into 10 to the power 16 meter in parsec is equal to 4.08 into 10 to the power 16 upon, you will easily calculate from here. 1 meter is equal to 1 parsec upon 3.08 into 10 to the power 16 meter. Okay, so this is, in place of meter we are using this result. That means 1 upon 3.08 into 10 to the power 16. Okay, this 10 to the power 16 cancelled, and finally we get this result is equal to 4. By solving this, we get this is 1 carry 1, 1.33 parsec. This is the first result which we need to calculate here. Okay, now second, how much parallax would this star shown when viewed from the two location? Okay, so okay, after 6 months apart in the Earth's orbit. For second solution, first need to distance traveled in 6 months. Okay, always remember the student, it is equal to 2 AU. Okay, and 2 equal to 1 AU. AU is astronomical unit, which means 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Okay, therefore you will calculate the distance, which means the value of arc is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 11 meter. This is the value of arc. Okay, and length we have this much. L is equal to 4.08 into 10 to the power 16 meter. These two values we have. Okay, Just I will show you the demonstration of the situation. Suppose this is our earth pair, and there is a far star. These are the two locations on earth. Okay, these are the two locations. Now from the two locations the star is observed. Okay, and makes an angle theta, parallactic angle theta here. This result we have L, and it is calculated as 4.08 into 10 to the power 16 meter. This angular diameter is equal to 2 AU, okay, used in the theory. Therefore we have this result, theta is equal to arc is AB upon radius is L. Okay, now so this we get, this theta is equal to AB, which means 3 into 10 to the power 11 meter, and this we get 4.08 into 10 to the power 16 meter. This meter cancel and we get this whole result in radian. Okay, but we need to calculate the result. Always you will solve this and left the result in the radian only, but you need to solve the result in the degree, because actually the measurement of angle is in the degree, so we use this in degree. Okay, so from here this result, as we have 1 second is equal to 4.85 into 10 to the power minus 6 radian. Therefore we can find this result as 1 radian in second. Second is indicates about degree, so this will be 1 upon 4.85 into 10 to the power minus 6 second. Okay, now this we solve. After that, 3 into 10 to the power 11 upon 4.08 into 10 to the power 16, and this result in place of radian 1 upon 4.85 into 10 to the power minus 6. Clear? When you solve this, you will get 3 into 10 to the power 11 plus 6 minus 16 upon, this would be 4 into 5. 4.85 into, we multiply here 5, 4, 0 carry 1, 3 carry 3, and this will be 19. Okay, approximately this we get 19.3. Okay, now this is theta is equal to 3 upon 19.3, and this will be 17 minus this into 10, which means 30 upon 19.3. Okay, this whole value in second after this, in second. Okay, now when we solve this, so if we assume it as 20, okay, so this theta is equal to 1 point, left is 10, so 5 approximately this we get in second. This is your second answer. Okay, thank you.